Hey y'all, hey, this is Thaisa, Paparazzi Consultant 140517, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to set up your pegboard display. So if you've seen any other videos, you may have seen consultants display their jewelry on the pegboards, and I actually started already. And then I decided to stop because I wanted to share it all with you to show you how easy it actually is to get it up. So as you see, I already have some of my shorter necklaces and then some of my bracelets displayed. And then of course this one will be full as well. And then I bought cute little Facebook Live number cards from Paparazzi. Are they blingy? See how cute? Oh my God, adorable. Okay, so I wanted to show you all how easy it is to do the pegboard display, and it is super inexpensive. So I'm going to show you the supplies, the materials, and then I also post all the links of where I got my stuff from in the comments. But of course, you can shop where you shop. But just make sure that you're getting the same, getting the same type of material. So the very first thing, of course, is your pegboards. We have our pegboards, and I got mine from Lowe's. And again, I'll post the links down below to where I got mine. But I got mine at Lowe's, and they cut it for me for free. And the pegboard was maybe about $12, $15 or something like that. So real inexpensive, and it comes in a really long sheet. And I got 6 of these equal pieces cut. And then I got one of those pieces cut in half, just in case I want to do a folding display with the hinges and things like that. You may have seen those if you've seen some other pegboard displays or videos. Those are good if you want to take your jewelry somewhere. They're easy to fold and grab and go. This is actually attached to a wardrobe rack, which I got from Walmart. And again, about $15 or something like that. So super inexpensive. Came from Walmart, and of course it was not put together like this. So it came unassembled. All the pipes were separate, but super easy to put together. It took me all of maybe about 15 minutes. And then if you wanted to, pack this up and put it in your car or something like that, then these extenders, they fold in. I have mine extended all the way out because I'm actually doing 4 boards. You can do as many boards as you want, 2, 3, whatever works best for you. So I have them extended all the way out, but they do push back in. And then the base at the bottom, this does come out. It'll take a little work to pull it out, but that base does come out. And then this also collapses. So you can push this down, and then it's nice compact. You can put it in a car to travel and things like that. So I have 2 boards displayed already with jewelry, one with jewelry, one without. And how I got that hooked up was you need these S-clips. Okay, and I got mine from Amazon. And again, I'll put it in the comments, and you can get yours wherever you like, eBay, Walmart, Target. So actually I got 10 in a pack, but I only used 8. You'll see some consultants, they may put an S clip. I only have 2 on each end, but you may see consultants put one in the middle. I don't know, maybe for added support. I didn't think that I needed it, but that's completely up to you. So just make sure you get the right amount. For 4 boards, you at least need 8. Okay, 2 for each board. All right, so I am going to show you how I got those 2 boards up on that wardrobe rack, which is super easy. So I am going to hand the camera over to my Tati Poo, who is going to take over the camera for me. Okay. All right, so we have our S hooks. Okay, and first off, I put one on the top of this board on this side, and then one on this side, and I brought it through the little part through the back to hook to the front, because you're going to need this to hook onto the rail of your wardrobe rack. Okay. So same thing on this side, and I just found it easier to put the hooks on the board before putting it up on the wardrobe, but some may find that you hook the hooks up there and then place the board on the hooks after that on the wardrobe. So whichever is easier for you. So I'm just going to simply take this and I'm going to hang this here. One there. And one there. And voila. And there you are. And then to get the other one there, I'm going to take, again, 2 S-hooks. And I am going to put, again, at the top, starting in the back and pushing it through the front. And on this side, again, pushing it through the back. And as you see, it goes in really, really easy. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I actually painted this pegboard. So the pegboard is actually going to come in this color. Not too cute, right? So I bought some what's called Oops paint. Okay, and I also got that from Lowe's. And it's exactly what it is. It's Oops paint. People, I guess, mix paint or get the wrong color and they bring it back. So I was fortunate enough to find a black satin in the Oops paint, which was very surprising to me and the paint guy at Lowe's, but I left that. So I got a really small, it was about really small, about this small, and it was about maybe $3 of Oops paint, and that actually painted all 4 of those boards. A couple of them I may have could go over again, but I ran out of paint. But good enough. So I'm just going to take this board, I'm going to take these 2, and I'm going to put one in here. Oh! Okay, that didn't work out too well. I'm going to put one there. Then I'm going to take this one. And I'm just going to put it in the second one. So the first one broke. And I'm going to put that through there like that. So again, whichever is easier for you, you may find it easier to put the boards on first. Excuse me, to put the boards on first, or to put the clips on, the hooks on first, whichever is easier for you. And then that's it. And then also you will need pegboard hooks. I got these at Amazon, so I had to order them from Amazon. And it took a little while to get these, about a week or so, because they didn't have them for Prime shipment. So I had to wait. But they're here. And as you see, I have those in the pegboard holes. So your paparazzi kit actually comes with some hooks. These. Okay, so if you want to use these, I have like 4 boxes of these that came from Paparazzi in the $4.99 kit. So if you want to use these, it's completely fine. They give you plenty, and they just hook onto your board.
You did.
Like that?
But the other way. Yeah.
Like that? Okay, like that. So I don't like them because they kind of, they're not sturdy. Yeah, and they also come with these. I guess these are the little stoppers to put in the back. But again, I found out that they didn't hold too well. And then your jewelry, yeah, those are for to hook back here. But then your jewelry kind of moves around and flops around. So I didn't like these, but it's completely up to you. So I got the different pegboard hooks. And as you see, they are like, they in there. So as you see, the jewelry is nice and sturdy. You know, they move a little, of course, but what you want to do is just make sure you get the right size. I'll comment down below. And then they're super easy to put in, so they just kind of pop in. I'm going to stick this one just right here. So you put your top in, and then you just, of course, it wouldn't be easy because I'm on camera, right? And then it pops right in, and it's there. So you need your pegboard, you need your wardrobe rack, you need your S hooks, and you need your pegboard hooks. And that's all. And here is your jewelry display. And I will probably put longer necklaces on the bottom, probably put some more shorter necklaces up there with some more bracelets and some rings and things like that. So plenty of room. If you only want to do 2 or you want to do 3 or, you know, whatever works for you, however much jewelry you have, then definitely, you know, rock it out. So I will probably, you know, just do a little more to this. I did want to paint the back, so maybe I'll paint the back if I can find some more a good color paint. You kind of want to not take away from your jewelry, so you don't want to do anything too crazy. I may spray a little glitter or something on it just because I'm a bling-tastic type of girl. But outside of that, that is it. Super easy, super inexpensive. The hooks, you know, $5-6. I don't know. Again, nothing too crazy. Shop around, you know, check different stores, Amazon, Walmart, Target, eBay, and wherever else, you know, whatever else you have in your area. But that's all. That's all I wanted to do. So super quick. Thank you again. Once again, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. And as always, I love you guys.